Make a great choice today with
The 2018 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, wheel covers. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.